are playing cat and cat. Cat and cat. Cat and cat. So the consequence. So if someone survives the least, they are the losers, and they'll get pushed into the lava and the stickiest pool ever. I'll show you guys. Hey Luvina, see, I'll make her do this. See, I'll push her. Ah. See, it will take 10 years to come from her. Luvina! Sorry, I cannot come there. Haha, you lose. Like this. If I should say or she should say, let's see in the end of the video. Loser Luvina, loser Luvina. You should say loser, Babish. Loser Babish, loser Babish, loser Babish. Hey! Okay, I'll count 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I know where she... Guys, I know the nicest way ever. So, oh guys. See guys. Oh, I can see Luvina. Go. Ulta hug. You cannot go. How you will run? Eat part, you smart, eat part. Luvina, oh my. I fell, literally. Oh, she went this part. Come. Oh, guys, come. Oh, where's Luvina? I should see. Oh, she went there. Can you see her anywhere? No, it's not Luvina. Oh, Luvina. You're the best. Hey. Oh God, where did she go? She'll come. Any second, she'll come. Oh, she went.